I-MOP Scrubber Dryers from I-Team, you can drive efficiency, improve productivity, and achieve a cleaner, safer venue for your clients. The I-MOP takes the hard work out of cleaning any hard floor, including concrete, tiles, timber, and vinyl. It surpasses the traditional mopping methods when it comes to hygiene and cleanliness too. In fact, while standard mopping has an average dirt removal rating of as little as 40%, the I-MOP shifts an impressive 97%, and the data proves it. With the I-MOP, floors are dry and ready to walk on within seconds, providing protection from slips and falls both in front and back of house spaces, with no need to close off areas while you wait for floors to dry. From stubborn dirt and grout lines to oil that's been walked in and spilled drinks, the I-MOP does it all, getting floors gleaming and improving their appearance.